Today, we're going to be talking about thorium, and there's a lot here. I mean that literally. Whether it be in regards to how many followers that they have over on Twitter, or it has to do with their NFTs, they've got their app, garden beans, miners, bank swaps. There's a whole slew of things, and it's a lot to jam pack into one video. So we're going to be mostly focusing in this video on a general overview for you guys so that you have a little bit of a sneak peek of what else there is behind the scenes of this project. So we're going to go ahead and start off with some of the key things. And I want to point out to you guys, as usual, that you can find more reference material for this down in the description below. So if you want to go check them out on their socials, if you want to go check out the website, etc., you'll have that relevant material available to you. And as usual, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinion. It's my own research. I highly encourage you to go do your own research. And with that being said, let's go ahead and dive on into this. First up is their Twitter account. They are at Thoreum Finance, over 100,000 followers, pushing close to 125,000 followers as of the time of me making this video. And you'll notice that they are followed by a couple other noteworthy figures in the cryptocurrency space, these being Libera, BUSD Miner, and ShillX as well. Libera Bank and ShillX, I should say. So there's a whole slew of names that are on this, that follow this account. As you guys can see, 122,000, that is a lot that's there. And they're promoting themselves as the world's first eternal bull token. What do we mean by that? We're going to be touching on that here in just a second. But it's primarily focusing on price appreciation. So they also say here, always on the up, multi-chain store of value, hyper-deflationary token, and that 2%. So let's go ahead and hop over to their website here. We have thorium.capital. There's also thorium.ai. I'll go ahead and start with thorium.ai as I go over some of my keynotes. So Thorium is identifying themselves as the world's most hyper burn token, where you're looking at 2% of the supply burned daily and 1% that's burned on each of the transactions. So you're looking at 99.0127 tokens burned and locked. The AI burning mechanism burns 2% of the supply daily, and the whole system leading to a daily price increase. You're looking at 2%, following a parabolic price curve. Based on calculations, one Thorium, they're looking at that being equivalent to one Ethereum in just 257 days. So as what I'm showing you guys here with this countdown timer, it's identifying as 244 days and counting. But initially we were looking at this one Ethereum in just 257 days. With a 1% burn on each transaction, Thorium in the wallet or the other party who buys, sells, or transfers is burned, not yours. This gradually increases your share ratio on the whole market cap. If a coin has a rapidly decreasing supply at 2% a day, with 99.0127% of the total supply burned and locked, while its liquidity and market cap continue to grow, your share ratio on the market cap only increases after each transaction. Then investing earlier will lead to a higher share ratio on the market cap. Thorium is designed to act as a store of value. You can reap generational wealth by holding it for a longer period of time due to its rapid value growth. So unlike Bitcoin, Thorium is deflationary and much less volatile, and you don't have to wait for bulls to make a move. So the big question really remains, why wait any longer? So another key element is in regards to Thorium Bond. The very powerful protocol-owned liquidity that's looking to help sustain and increase the price floor. Thorium Bonds mechanism uses 20% of the bonding funds for market buying Thorium to increase market cap and price growth, and 80% to create liquidity to stabilize the price floor. This mechanism has a very long-term effect, as it not only increases the price, but also keeps the price floor always going higher. The created liquidity is owned by the protocol, providing steady and growing liquidity without the risk of breaking from individual users. At the current rate of growth, Thorium's liquidity has increased 25% a quarter, and they're looking at that increasing by 100% in a year. So what to do with Thorium after buying and bonding? There's a couple of things here. One, you can hold and see your sharing on market cap keep increasing. And two, you can earn more your rare and valuable thorium with a maximum APY. So, there's actually a third one here too, but let's elaborate a little bit more. Thanks to the power of auto compound vaults, you can pair your thorium with another coin and farm even more thorium. Farming with no lockups, zero deposits, and withdrawal fees. Don't let your multi-chain store of value thorium sleep idly in your wallet. The third one, you can stake in the Thorium Bank. Earn 200% APY in leading coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and Thorium. And so, highlighting some of these key elements to begin with, let's also navigate a tad bit through the websites themselves. So, scrolling back up to the top here for the Thorium AI, the first thing that you guys are going to take notice of is that every couple seconds there's an identifier of percentage changes that's taking place, price increase in the past quarter, since launch. You get the point. So you can pop into the website, see what the latest is that's taken place over the course of the week and over different periods of time, seeing this stuff in real time. In addition to that, you have the ability, if you wanted to buy this now, you can be able to do that. It goes through buyswap.org. You also have the bond now. That goes through the thorium.ai/instant-bond. And up at the top here, we also have that tab. So we start with the app itself. You have a dashboard as well as the account for the instant bond. Let's go ahead and go over there. Give you guys a little bit of a preview of things. And it shows Thorium price is increasing day by day and will probably catch Ethereum this year, which we already talked a little bit about earlier. And with one Thorium equaling one Ethereum, your biggest regret will be not having more Thorium at $20.20. Don't let yourself be left behind. Get your Moonshot Thorium with 20.5% plus profit Thorium instant bond limited offer. And then it breaks down again that countdown timer. And as we take a look over a 3 months time span, we do see some large spikes that take place. But what has been happening quite consistently with the price is price appreciation. We do see a little bit of flatlining coming out here since around, looks like about April 13th or so. A little bit of downwards action. It's not like we don't ever see some downwards action like we did see this from around March 14th to March 16th period. So it does happen. We see it here also March 18th to the 21st, it looks like. But overall, since this was showing back and towards the end of January of this year, it's been making quite a sporadic climb. And then we see some of the other bond options here, such as with USDC, what the instant profit association with that is. You also have BUSD, Thorium BNB. We also have Ethereum and BNB itself. There's more of a breakdown on their website for each one of these things. Again, there's a lot that's here, and it's a bit too much to try and cover in a single video. However, I want to give you guys an introduction to things. So you can check this out. I'll have the links down in the description below. You can learn more about their bonding, their other elements. Let's go ahead and quickly go through just a couple more of these to give you guys those sneak peeks. So we also have the swap tab up here at the top, going through the buy on BuySwap. If you're doing that for the BNB chain, you can buy on Velo Core, and then you can also buy on Aragi. I hope I'm doing a good pronunciation on all of these. Sometimes I do butcher them, and I apologize if I did do that in this video. We also have the bridging element. Let's go ahead and click on that, give you guys a little bit of a preview over there, and let that finish with its loading up. And you're going to connect your wallet to this, and then it goes over some of the different options as well. So you see clearly your from section, your to, you're going to identify which ones of these that you're trying to do your swaps for, and they do provide that functionality. You also see at the top that there's some other tabs, such as for the pool. You can also do this for farms, and some of the other additional options are readily available if you want to go ahead and explore that. Let's go ahead and go back over here to the Thoreum.ai website, and on that last tab that we did not go over yet is the Documents tab. When we click on that, go ahead and pull that up for you guys as well. You'll see that they have their documents laid out with plenty more information. This includes things such as with their audit, which one of the key things that I look for whenever I'm trying to talk about a new project on this channel, and for people to be looking into these things. Here we can see they have a couple greens being checked off. Looks like that they have the audit by Paladin, that's version 1, audited by Rug Free Coins, version 2, audited by Thoreum Auditing Team, version 3. And then it says here, not only that, their project got 10 out of 10 from potential to grow. And you can check out the audit reports through the GitHub, which they also provide more details on that. And then more of a breakdown. You guys can read all of this stuff, check it out. You can ask questions inside their community space. And this was just covering over on the Thoreum.ai side. There is that Thoreum.capital side, which also has the app itself, NFTs, gardens and beans, miners, the banks, as well as the swap side. And then if we click on the 3 dots here, which is ellipse, I believe, or ellipses is how you pronounce it. You also have the Treasury, Documents, Bog Chart, Dex, Tool Chart, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Twitter, and Telegram. You can even change the language. They've got a lot of elements in play here. A lot. And let's go ahead and click on the NFTs. You see that they have the Libera Angels NFT and the Thorium Hero NFT. Let's go ahead and click on the Thorium Hero NFT and just kind of finish off this video with a little bit of a highlight on this. So they say 2023 highest passive income in the crypto world. You got 1% daily income in BNB just by holding in your wallet. No capital locked, no staking needed, tradable on any NFT marketplace at any time. And you guys get a little bit of a preview of this. I have to say, I actually really like the art. I think it looks quite cool, and it's giving off that mythology sort of vibe. And I love to see that they create a series with this sort of a theme. It's just kind of up my alley, and it's even got an anime vibe to it, and I'm a huge anime person. So if you guys want to check this out, learn more about what they've got going on with all this, they have a video on their website as well. There's a lot of information here, and they have a huge community. So I'll provide all that material down below. And that's what I got for you guys in this video. So this is an introductory video into Thoreum. They've got a lot of things going on. They're very active in their social medias. And I hope this video was helpful for you. So once again, go do your own research, guys, because I am not a financial advisor. I love being able to share this kind of content for you. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button. Feel free to share this video if you think other people would find this interesting too. Let us know in the comments down below what you think about this project. God bless, and we will see you in the next episode.